Welcome to the channel. Today, we will show you how to contact support in the Yuka app. If you have any questions, feedback, or issues, this guide will help you reach their support team quickly and easily by the end of this video. First, open the Yuka app on your smartphone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, select the option Report a Problem from the menu. After that, click on Other Questions to proceed to additional support options. Next, tap on Contact to reach the communication form. Then, choose whether you are a user or a company to ensure your message goes to the correct department. Afterwards, select the category that best fits your query, such as questions or feedback. Next, fill in your name, email, subject, and the detailed message you want to send to the support team. Finally, review your information and click on Send to submit your query to Yuka Support. Following these steps will ensure your message reaches the right team efficiently and increases the chances of a timely response. Thanks for watching, and we hope your questions get resolved quickly.